So, you ordered the new iPhone 16 by accident again? I'm gonna teach you how to cancel any Apple order online. First, let's go to the Apple Store's website. The page here will display a lot of options, but I want you to click on the top left bag icon. After that, you have to click on Orders. This way, all the orders you have placed will appear here, but you have to be signed in by your Apple ID. After you do that, all your orders will appear in the next page where you can easily click on any product you want to cancel and do so as much as you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching.